Hey, you're okay. I'm right here. We're gonna get you out, all right?
Okay.
You're safe. Look at me. Deep breath. Harness is off. Step toward me. Good. I've got you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Coming down.
I'm so scared.
You did great. Ma'am, you're doing great. I'm almost there.
Please don't let me fall.
I won't. I promise. We've got
Straps
you.
clear. Lowering.
Okay, ma'am. I got you. We're gonna clip you in now.
Okay.
Good. Harness is secure. Lifting the bar. Keep my hand. One step over.
I got it. Thank you.
Platform coming down. Nice and slow.
She's safe. Thank you so much.
You're doing great. I'm gonna pop this release, okay? Deep breath.
Okay.
Harness is free. Grab my hand.
Gosh, thank you.
Got your line clipped. You're safe.
Nice and easy. Eyes on me.
Wow. Let's give them
Thank
room,
you.
please.
Thank you so much. I thought I was stuck up
You're
there
on the ground and you're okay. That's what matters. You're okay. I've got you. Take a deep breath for me.
I can't. My legs are shaking.
That's all right. I'm not letting go. Ready? Let's open this harness. One step at a time. You're doing. Ladder's in place. Keep it steady.
I can't get it open.
You're okay. I'm Firefighter Ortega. I'm gonna get you out of here. Stay still.
Harness free. We're coming down.
Got you. You're safe now.
Thank you so much.
Crowd control. Give them room. Ma'am, I'm Brian with City Rescue. You're doing great. We're gonna get you down, okay?
Okay, I'm so scared.
I know. Just keep looking at me. I've got you locked in. We're gonna step onto the ladder together.
Coming down. Nice and easy.
Oh my God.
You're safe now. Floor's right here.
Thank you.
I've got you. Just stay still for me.
Okay.
Latch is coming off. There. You're free. Nice and easy. Watch your step.
Oh my gosh, she's okay.
You're safe now. Deep breath.
Thank you so much.
Nothing to thank. Let's get you down.
You're doing great. I'm right here with you. We're gonna unlock the harness now. Just keep your hands right where they are.
I'm so scared.
I know. Deep breath. Got you.
Harness coming off.
Step onto the rung. Perfect. Clip secure. We're heading down.
Hang in there. Thank you. Thank
You're
you
safe
so
now.
much.
You're okay. I've got you. Take my hand.
I can't move.
Yes, you can. I'm clipped in. We're gonna step out together. Ready?
Okay.
Almost there. Good job. She's down. You did great.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Almost to me, ma'am. Just keep looking at me.
Okay.
You're doing great. We're gonna get you off this ride in just a minute.
Please, I want to be on the
And
ground.
that's exactly where we're going. I'm clipping you in now.
But I'm secure and lowering.
She's down.
Thank you. Thank you so much. You bet. You're safe now.
Hey, you're okay. I've got you. Look at me. I'm gonna pop this open, all right?
Yeah.
3, 2.
Just free.
Got you. Step over. That's it.
Oh my gosh. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're safe now.
I don't know what else to say.
You already said it.
I'm right here.
I was so scared. I thought it wouldn't stop. We got you. Deep breath. Ready to come down?
Yeah.
Okay.
Easy. Step onto this rung. I've got the ladder.
Thank you so much.
You're safe now. All right. Welcome back to Earth.
All right, ma'am, I'm right here with you. We're gonna get you down safe, okay?
Okay. I'm trying. I'm just really
Doing
scared.
great. Clips on. When I say stand up,
Cage
step
is
toward
steady.
me.
You're clear to transfer.
I got it. Oh my
There you
gosh.
go. You're safe now.
Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome. You're brave. We've got you.
I don't
Just
know
get
what
you
I've
checked
done.
out.
You're doing great, man. We're right here with you. Take a deep breath.
Harness is on. Ready to unlock.
Okay, shoulder bar coming up. Lean into me.
Okay. Oh my
We
gosh.
got you. One step to the platform. That's it.
Thank you so much.
Almost home. Watch your footing.
Basket secure.
Lowering.
I can't.
Hey there. I'm Captain Lopez. I'm gonna get you out, all right? You're safe with me.
Oh, okay. I'm trying not to look down.
Good. Just keep breathing. I'm clipping you in right now.
Harness is disengaged. Ready to move.
Okay, lean toward me. I've got you.
Oh my gosh. Thank you.
You're welcome. We're almost down.
Thank you so much.
You're doing great. I'm right here. Just stay still for me.
I thought I was stuck forever.
Not on my watch. Almost there.
Harness is loosening. Stand by.
There we go. You're free.
Oh my gosh. Thank you.
Give her space, please.
I can't believe you got me out.
It's what we do. You're safe now.
Thank you.
Let's
so
get you
much.
checked out, ma'am.
Hey there. I'm Captain Lopez. I'm gonna get you out, all right? You're safe with me.
Oh, okay. I'm trying not to look down.
Good. Just keep breathing. I'm clipping you in right now.
Harness is disengaged. Ready to move.
Okay, lean toward me. I've got you.
Oh my gosh. Thank you.
You're welcome. We're almost down.
Thank you so much.
You're doing great. I'm almost there, okay?
I can't move.
Look at me. You're safe. Take my hand.
Okay.
Got you. Nice and easy.
Give him some room.
She's down. Thank you so much.
Anytime. You're okay now.
I thought I'd.
You're clipped in. I've got you. We're gonna stand up nice and slow, okay?
Okay.
That's it. You're doing great.
She's coming down. Oh my God.
One more step. There you go. You're on the ground.
Thank you so much.
You were really brave up there.
I was terrified.
Terrified and safe now. It's over.
Thank
man. We're right here. We're gonna get you out, okay?
I can't move.
You're doing great. Take my hand. Straps ready. One step over. I've got you.
Oh my God.
He's down.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're safe. You're okay.
You're doing great. We're almost off of here.
I'm so scared.
I know. Just keep breathing with me. I've got you.
Rope secure, ready when you are.
All right, let's stand up nice and easy.
Step into the bucket. You're safe now.
Thank you. Thank you
You're
so
welcome.
much.
You're all
I
right.
thought I'd be stuck up there forever.
Not on our watch.
Ladies and gentlemen, she's...
You're right, ma'am. I need you to look at me, okay?
I can't move.
I'm right here. We're clipping you in. As soon as I say the harness will open, you're safe with me.
Rope's locked. You're good to step, Cap.
One foot at a time. I've got you.
Yes!
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You did great.
You're doing great. I'm almost to you.
I can't feel my legs.
That's okay. I have you. Look at me, all right? We're going to get you down.
Okay.
Clipping in. Good. Harness is off. You're safe with me.
Oh my gosh.
We're heading down. Just breathe.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're safe now.
You're a real hero.
Just doing my job.
I got you, folks. Just stay behind the line, please.
You're doing great. Almost there. Look at me, okay? Deep breaths.
I'm so scared.
I know, but you're safe. We're taking you down right now.
Easy step. Got her? Good.
Oh my God. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're safe now.
I don't know what I'm
It's our job. Take a breath for me.
Almost there. Keep looking at me. You okay?
I'm trying. I'm scared.
I know. You're doing great. We'll clip you into my line and step right onto the ladder. I've got you.
Okay.
She's safe. All clear.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You were brave up there.
I can't move. I'm so scared.
You're okay. I've got you. Take my hand. That's it. We're going to stand up together one step at a time.
Okay.
Coming down. Almost there. Doing great.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank
You're
you
safe
so
now.
much.
Deep breath.
I was so scared.
Ladder's almost there. Hold tight.
I'm trying. I can't move.
You're doing great. I'm going to clip you in, okay? We're going to get you down.
Please, I just want to get out of here.
I know. Breathe with me, one step at a time.
Coming down. Got her.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're safe now. That's all that matters.